Hi, in this video I will show you how to disable links in your menu items. For example, here we have a Solutions tab that when you hover on, you can see a drop-down. These Legal Eye products, for example, this item is not a link. It is basically just a subtitle or a header to categories shown below. And each of these categories then points to a specific page. So those categories are links, but we want to disable the link and just show this as a subtitle or a header to a category list in your menu. We will see how to do that, as well as how to customize menu items so that, for example, this subtitle is bold, has a different color or different font size. So let's see how to do that. First, within my menu, if you go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance and Menus, and you can see that I have some menu that I've created. I have the Anchors menu item here and then some pages below that. Now let's say that I have 3 test pages here and I want to create kind of a subtitle to those pages. That won't be a link, but it will simply appear in this menu as a category title or subtitle. Now I will go to Custom Links here and I will create a link test called Test Pages. And I can put anything here just to add it to the menu, for example a hashtag. Once it's added, it shows as custom link. I will just delete this URL. So the trick here is to leave the URL field empty. That way the link won't actually point to anything. It will simply be text or a headline or a header or whatever. So I will place this test pages category name above the 3 pages that will actually appear here within Anchors. So I will click on Save Menu now and go to my page where I've inserted my menu. Let me just refresh it and then we will see how to customize this subtitle. Now if I hover on Anchors, you can see that I have the title Test Pages here. Now don't bother about the styling for now. I just basically want to show you how to customize menu items in this section. So let's say that I want the test pages to appear a little bit bigger or with different color. Now how you do that is basically you have to select that first menu item in the drop-down. And how to do that is if you go to your custom CSS, and if you watched my previous video, you would see what we were doing basically with the columns here. So I will type here selector, then Elementor nav menu. Now I'm customizing just the anchors. So basically I will again use list item nth-child 1. And then I want to customize Elementor nav menu drop-down. And I want to customize the first list item because the first list item is the test pages headline. So I will put list item and child and 1. And now, for example, I can put this font size, let's say 21 pixels. I'll set an important tag and let's see what this means. It basically creates a bigger text. You can give it a different color, you can give it a thickness, you can give it whatever you want, but basically you can work with this specific menu item now. And as you can see, it is not a link, it is a simple text, whereas the other pages here, they are links. So it is a simple text because we've removed the URL from the custom links menu item. That's it. I hope you like this video. If you have, don't forget to like, subscribe, or comment below.